How to fix TikTok you're tapping too fast problem. So if you want to fix TikTok you're tapping too fast problem, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and after that go with the upper right, which has that three horizontal lines, and tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to scroll down, tap on report a problem, and after that it might take a few seconds to load, so just wait, and then you need to scroll down and tap on chat with us, or you may also have an option to report a problem. On the bottom of your screen you can tap on report a problem. Once you tap on report a problem, it will take you to the feedback page from where you can type I can't tap, I need more likes a day, so please help me with this issue, and you can submit the report. But if it takes you to the TikTok help desk, then here you need to just send a message like I want to fix your tapping too fast problem, and then send. And after that, TikTok help desk will suggest you with some steps. It says that you need to take a break, you need to try again in 24 hours. So just wait for 24 hours, and after that your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.